How to verify your age on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Roblox application. Before that, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Roblox. Now simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now after updating, go back to the home screen and open up Roblox. Scroll down and find Roblox icon. Simply tap on it. Now wait for some time. Now at the bottom right corner, simply tap on more. Now scroll down and tap on settings. Now tap on account info. Now scroll down and tap on verify my age. Now tap on start session. Now click on begin verifying. Now wait for some time. Now tap on select. Now select your photo ID category. You can choose your driver license or national ID. You can also select passport or citizenship certificate. Choose any of them. Now tap on the camera icon. Now click on check camera. If you are not able to access the camera, go back to the home screen and find Roblox icon. Now keep holding on it and tap on app info. Now go to permissions and click on camera. Now give the permissions and go back to the application. Now tap on check camera. Again tap on camera icon. Again select the back of the ID. Now tap on use this photo. Make sure to include the photo of your ID. Since I'm not using my real ID, it will go smoothly for you. So follow the on-screen instructions to verify your ID. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.